Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Technology. I am going to teach you how to make AI animations using few simple steps. First of all, we are going to generate our animation image using Chatgpt.
Open Chatgpt. Provide the details of what kind of an image do you want, as I typed the image of a giant anaconda with a dog. I have generated two images, but I am going to select the second one, the giant anaconda and dog in the desert. Once the image is generated, hit download to download the image. And after downloading the image, go to AI website. Upload the downloaded image here and go back to Chatgpt to generate the prompts for the image to get animated. Type what kind of prompts do you want, as I want the anaconda to keep staring at the dog and the dog keeps barking. As you can see, my prompt is generated, so I am gonna copy the prompt and paste it in AI web application. Once you pasted the prompt, hit generate and go back to Chatgpt and copy the other prompts you generated. Paste that also and hit generate again. So as you can see, the images are in process. Once the animation is generated, hit download and play the video. Your AI animation video is ready. Waiting a few minutes for the second video to get generated. As you can see, our prompt has been generated and we generated 3 different videos using one single image. Download all the videos and combine them in any video editing software you are familiar with, but I am gonna use CapCut. Upload the AI animation videos we recently generated. Adjust the video ratio as you want, but I am gonna make it for YouTube Shorts. So finally, our video is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.